Hey, good evening, YouTubers. It is Sunday night, April 5, 2020. So in tonight's review, I'm going to be reviewing the Hungry Man Beer Battered Chicken. Golden beer battered white meat chicken strip shaped patties with mashed potatoes and mixed vegetables, includes a chocolate brownie. Excuse me, nose itched. So yes, that's what we're doing tonight. And this is a very special episode of DFU. You know, I said if it's not on a Tuesday night, it's a bonus video. But you know what? This is a special night tonight. It's WrestleMania, and I said before, I love wrestling, so that's why I'm doing it. So this is episode 18 of DFU, Doug's Food Universe, on a special different night this time. It's not a bonus video, it's DFU, episode 18, even though it's a different night. So, we're gonna get into this, and then I'll tell you about what I have right here and stuff. But we're gonna get into this because I have not ate. Nose keeps itching. So, and yes, my channel is a food channel, and thank you guys for watching and subscribing. And if you want to, just watch, subscribe if you want, hit that bell notification. So let's get into it. And I did this in the microwave. Look at that. I put it on for about 7 minutes, 25 seconds. It is 14 and a half ounces. I'll just read some of the nutrition real quick. It's 770 calories. The sodium is up there. Don't want to eat it often though. 1,480 milligrams. And cholesterol 85 milligrams. So yeah, but I did mine. You can do it in the oven, but I did mine in the microwave. Got my power. Got my Gatorade. That orange Gatorade. Thanks again, Lori. One of my best all-time friends. So let's just do it. And then I'll tell you all this. I use a hand sanitizer, as always. So let's do it. Yeah, I said this is WrestleMania. It's WrestleMania weekend. Night one was last night. It was awesome last night. Tonight, it's going to be night two. So start with the vegetables. You got green beans, corn, and carrots. Look at that. I got all three of them in one. I hope everyone's staying safe. If you can, I hope everyone's staying at home. Look it up. WrestleMania. It's the WWE WrestleMania 36 weekend. and it's been good so far. Like I said, my channel is around food. I try to do food reviews as best I can, but every once in a while I'll put in some wrestling stuff. Now this is my first time actually putting in some wrestling. And so far, the mixed vegetables are good. Got my pink on again, as always. Let's hit the mashed potatoes. Look at that. I'm gonna try not to make this video too long. So mashed potatoes are excellent. Just so excellent. Yeah, Hungry Man. Hungry Man is one of my all-time favorites. I love Hungry Man. It will fill you up. Close to 15 ounces of food. Huh. Get these potatoes. Mashed potatoes. But yeah, it's WrestleMania weekend. I decided, you know what the hell? Do a video. Do a special edition. This is a special edition of Doug's Food Universe DFU. Special WrestleMania edition of DFU, Doug's Food Universe. Because it is Sunday night, April 5, 2020, and this date is very special to me, and I will tell you all about it after I get done eating this. Gatorade Orange. Yummy. Oh, I got mixed some of the brownie in the mashed taters. Oh well. Make the mashed potatoes a little bit sweeter. Okay, here's one beer battered chicken. Yeah, it's falling off because I let it set too long. But trust me, it's good. I know you're supposed to eat your dessert last, but I'm going to go into that brownie. It looks very well done. But you guys can see it good. Very well done. Wow. I'm enjoying this brownie. Yowie, wowie. Another side to the cup. There we go. Tell you what, that brownie was good. Wow. Look at that. Sorry about the lighting. Yeah, it's a little it's wet or something. I just let it sit too long. That's good. It is good. Look at this bite. Look at that. Get full already. Just making you hungry? Grab something. Eat with me. I'm almost done, but grab something. A snack or whatever. Very good. Very good, guys. Love it. Okay, on my rating scale for the Hungry Man beer battered chicken, it's good. I let it sit a little bit too long. The chicken was the breading was soggy, but it was still good. The mixed vegetables, the corn, the green beans and carrots, perfect. I mean, it was just spot on. And I don't know what my nose keeps itching. But the bloody hell. Bloody hell. Yeah, the mixed vegetables was good. Mashed potatoes was perfect. The brownie, it was good as well. It was perfect. It was perfect, guys. So, thanks for having dinner with me, guys. And I do recommend it. On my rating scale, this is a 5 all night long. It's a 5, guys. There I go, 5 guys. And that's you, 5 guys. Oh my God. I'm going to do a review from there when everything all settles down. Okay. But yeah. Go out and get that. You can get that at Kroger, Walmart, and your local grocery stores. I got this one at Walmart for I believe $2.49, but you can't beat that. I just got done eating that, and I'm full. It's just under 15 ounces of food. I mean, you get 4 of the beer battered chicken, which is good. You get 4 of those. Then you got the mashed potatoes. You got the mixed vegetables and the brownie, which I actually enjoyed. That was really, really good. So, excuse me. That's how good it was. So, I had this right here because, to set up the box. I'll keep the box right here, I guess. So, that was really good. I'm just going to set this over here. I'll pick this up after it. Like I said, I'm a huge wrestling fan. It's WrestleMania weekend. We had WrestleMania 36 part 1 last night. Later on tonight, it's going to be part 2. So whenever you watch this video, WWE WrestleMania 36 should be over for the weekend. So let me get into this, guys. Yes, okay. I'm a huge wrestling fan. I've been a wrestling fan since probably since I was probably 2 or 3, something like that. Well over 41 years. I mean, I'm 43, but come on. But, okay, so here we go. I went to a WrestleMania. It was 28 years ago tonight. WWE WrestleMania 8 in Indianapolis, Indiana, at the Hoosier Dome. And I was 15 years young at the time. I went with my 2 brothers. Well, two out of the 3 brothers. Eric didn't go, but Mike and Ricky did, since Ricky passed away. And then my mom and dad since then my dad's passed away as well. And an interesting fact, in the opening match of WrestleMania 8 between Tito Santana and Shawn Michaels, you actually see my dad walking. He's like in black jeans, like a red shirt and a hat. But this for a couple shots, you can see my dad, which is actually cool. So that's cool. So let's get at it. I don't want to make this too long. It's WrestleMania. Everyone's got to get ready for WrestleMania. By the time you watch it, everything will be over. So I've had this. I'll sit up here. I've had this cup, this WrestleMania cup, since it's been 28 years ago. I've had this for 28 years. Yes, I've had this WrestleMania cup 28 years, and yes, it's worn out. You can see the paint job and stuff. Yeah, you can see the paint job and stuff. But yeah, that's it. And then I got the DVD. I mean, I have the WWE Network, but I got the DVD. Look at that. WrestleMania 8, look at that. Psycho Sid, Vicious, Hulk Hogan. And then there's Shawn Michaels. And then there's Macho Man Randy Savage. Clotheslining Ric Flair over the top rope. And then some other great matches on the card. Jake the Snake Roberts versus The Undertaker. Intercontinental Championship match. Roddy Piper defended against Bret the Hitman Hart. And like I said, Ric Flair versus Macho Man Randy Savage. That was for the WWE title. So, of course, Flair was the champion. So that's my little WrestleMania story. So, yeah. And of course, before Toys R Us went out of business, I'll pick it up later. After the video. So after Toys R Us, before Toys R Us went out of business, I picked this bad boy up. This WWE Championship title. Now, it gets me. I swear to God, it gets me when people call this a belt. This is not, I repeat, it's not a belt. And so many people always says, oh, this is a belt. It's not. It is a championship title. Okay? Championship title. Okay? It's a championship title. There. But yeah. And that's it. On this very special WrestleMania edition of Doug's Food Universe DFU. Thanks for watching, guys. And watch WrestleMania. You probably already watched it by the time this goes up, which will be when I get done. But anyway, that was my special WrestleMania edition of DFU, Doug's Food Universe. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Like this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Just give it a big thumbs up. Look at that. Look at my arms. Yeah, look at that. On this downtime, I've been working out. So, yeah, I've been working out. Look at that. Oh, yeah. There's a Hogan pose right there. But thanks for watching, guys. And before WrestleMania 36 concludes tonight, I'm going to go on the WWE Network and we'll relive WWE WrestleMania 8 back in Indianapolis, Indiana at the Hoosier Dome on Sunday night, April 5, 1992. I was 15 years young. So with that being said, I'm closing it out. Hope you guys enjoy your WrestleMania weekend. Man, look at those arms. Yeah, look at that. Oh, yeah. So, thank you guys. And remember, YouTubers, I will always light the way. All you have to do is let me in. Bye. See you all later. See you all